Oh my god, this isn't gonna work. That's too slippery. No homo. You know what? Fuck it. Just fuck it. We'll have to do it with one hand then. 1 second. Transmit. You guys are gonna battle my friend Steven online real quick. Let's see what I can do with one hand. You know what? This is really uncomfortable. I'm doing it with one hand. Yay! God. Ridiculous. Finally. I don't know if you could see anything much, but whatever. Steven. Oh shit! Oh my gosh. Oh my god, with the log and it's transmitting and it's flagging at the same time. Steven. Steven. Fuck you, Steven. Fuck you. Fuck you, Steven. Oh god. Why is that no? It would lag at the last second, wouldn't it? See, I pressed the wrong button. God, fuck your log. Steven. Steven. You take pleasure in spamming Rasengan. I'm running away here. Oh, how does that miss? How does that... Oh, you know what? You know what? Fuck your elite. Oh! You know what? Go on with Ferocity. Go. Stick 'em, wolves. Go. Don't give a shit anymore.